Hey everyone, Chef Ryan here from the Growing Chefs Ontario Classroom Kitchen for this month's kids cooking class with our theme, Fall Fruit Frenzy. Today I'm going to be making a apple cider fondue. Fondue is thought to have originated in Switzerland, but became popular here in North America in the 60s. I love making retro food, and who doesn't love a big vat of melted cheese? Let's get started. So to make this recipe, I'm going to start with 1 cup of apple cider and put it into a pot on a medium to low heat. While that's heating up, I'm going to start grating my cheese. So I have some Monterey Jack cheese and some cheddar cheese that I'm going to grate up. I've got my 2 types of cheese completely grated. Make sure you watch your fingers when you're using the grater. Grater cuts are not fun at all. So I have some cornstarch that I'm going to mix into my cheese now. This is going to stop our cheese sauce or our fondue from splitting. When your cheese sauce splits on you, you get a greasy sort of mess. So we don't want that to happen. My hands are clean, so I'm just going to use my clean hands to toss the cornstarch all over the cheese. And then I'm going to add it to my warm or just about to simmer apple cider. So I'll add that to my warm apple cider, and I'll give it a little whisk and let it start to melt. While my cheese is melting, I'm going to cut up my apples. So that's what we're going to be dipping into this cheese sauce. So I have a large crunchy green apple here. I'm going to use my bear claw to hold on to my apple and go around the core. Just like that. And then I'm going to cut each piece of my apple into slices. About 4 slices on each side. Traditionally, fondue is eaten with these long, thin forks and shared by friends and family. So traditionally, when the cheese sauce is melted, you can put it into a fondue pot like that, or if you don't have one of those, you can just eat it right out of the pot. My cheese is completely melted, so I'm just going to finish it off with a tiny pinch of nutmeg. Whisk that in, and then we'll give it a try. Make sure you let it cool down a little bit before you put it into your mouth. Super delicious. The creaminess of the cheese, the tart crunch from the apple, they're a perfect combination for each other. I'm Ryan from Growing Chefs Ontario, and I hope you like this fondue recipe.